The Label module in Moodle allows us to add content directly to our course page. Labels are useful to break up large topics or to give instructions to users inside our course. To add a new label, click on Add an activity or resource, select Label, and click Add. For this label, let's give learners instructions on how to use the forum. We can modify the text by making it bold or turning it into a heading. We can also add videos, images, links, lists, or tables to our label. Once you are done modifying the label, click on Save and Return to Course. To add the label to its correct position, we can click on these handles and drag it above the discussion forum. And to get a better view of what this page will look like, let's turn the editing mode off. Now we can see the course exactly the way a student will see it. Here are some examples on how you can use labels in your course. This is an example of the Introduction to App Development module on the IT Varsity Learning Management System. About this module and getting help with this module are about labels. Another example of labels is at the end of the course, where students are given instructions on what to do after completing this module.